smart basket as the second widget. Now, why do you think this is placed here? This is because if you think about grocery shopping, it is more of a repetitive purchase, right? Basically, you will tend to buy, let's say, 2 kgs of atta, the same thing every month, correct? So this is what we want to show right in the home page, correct? So that is the reason we have placed smart basket, right? And then coming down, you will find again a lot of banner widgets, right? And just to tell you, all of these are called widgets, okay? So probably this is called a banner widget. Now this is again probably another banner kind of a widget. This is product widget, right? And again, this is a banner widget. Now why you need to know all of this from a product perspective is because you will have to ensure that the way a homepage is built is completely dependent on-site marketing team, right? So now you should allow marketing team to experiment with various things, right? Maybe the smart basket widget can move up, right? Or maybe some of the banners or this bank offers widget, this could go up. Now you should ensure that the product that you have in your backend, right, in your admin or whatever, there you have to ensure that marketing team can easily use it, they can reorder things, and they can even decide the size of this widget, right? So all of this just give maximum customizations possible for the marketing team, right? So this was about the first few sections of the homepage.